Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming essentials: Chrome updated, signed in, and toolbar uncluttered. Now open a new tab and right-click the toolbar area. You want to reveal hidden UI options. Once done, click Customize or three-dot menu if needed, then select Settings to jump straight into Appearance controls. Make sure to keep one Chrome window open so changes apply immediately. This initial step ensures you can restore the search bar without wasting time on unrelated fixes. You now navigate Settings, choose Appearance, and locate the Search/Address bar toggle. Enable it to restore the search field. If Chrome shows use the address bar for search, switch the related setting to visible. Once enabled, return to the toolbar and drag to reposition or right-click to pin the bar so it stays fixed. Make sure to disable any extension that may replace the bar. That conflict commonly hides it. These middle steps reinstate the search UI and place it where you prefer. You finish by restarting Chrome so the restored search bar loads consistently across windows. After restart, confirm the bar appears and test a quick search. If it's missing, disable extensions one by one to identify conflicts, or reset appearance settings to defaults to clear custom UI overrides. As a quick troubleshooting tip, create a new Chrome profile. If the search bar appears there, the issue is profile-specific and you can migrate bookmarks and settings. That resolves most lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.